Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I am an American abroad student in Germany. This is my story. Today, I want to tell you about my afternoon routine. You can read my story and learn English with me. If you love my stories and want to continue learning with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below with your favorite part of the story, or share your own. I like to read your comments. Let's get started. My afternoon routine is an important part of my day. It helps me stay productive and focused as I transition from the busy morning hours to the later part of the day. Since I started my new job, I've realized that how I manage my afternoons can really impact my energy levels and mood. Here's what my typical afternoon looks like. Around 12:30 p.m., I take a lunch break. After a productive morning, it's nice to take some time to relax and recharge. I usually bring my lunch to work, something simple and healthy like a salad with grilled chicken or a sandwich with lots of veggies. Sometimes, I like to add some fruit or yogurt as a treat. During lunch, I try to step away from my desk. If the weather is nice, I'll eat outside in a nearby park. The fresh air and change of scenery help me clear my mind and reset for the afternoon. If I'm eating indoors, I make sure to take a proper break, enjoying my meal without looking at my phone or computer. I've found that taking a real break during lunch makes me more focused when I return to work. After lunch, I often take a short walk around the block or do some light stretching. This helps me shake off any sluggishness from sitting too long and gives me a burst of energy. Even a 5-minute walk can make a big difference in how I feel for the rest of the day. If I'm feeling particularly tired, I might also grab a cup of tea for a gentle caffeine boost. By 1 p.m., I'm back at my desk, ready to tackle the tasks for the afternoon. I start by reviewing my to-do list, which I keep updated throughout the day. I prioritize the most important tasks, making sure I'm clear on what needs to be done before the end of the day. Afternoons can be challenging in terms of staying focused, especially after the initial energy of the morning starts to fade. To keep myself on track, I break my work into manageable chunks. I'll set a timer for 45 minutes to an hour and focus on one task during that time. This helps me stay productive and avoid getting overwhelmed by the workload. If I have any meetings scheduled, they usually take place in the afternoon. I find that mid-afternoon is a good time for meetings, because it breaks up the day and allows me to connect with my colleagues. During meetings, I make sure to take notes and stay engaged in the discussion. I also try to contribute ideas and ask questions when appropriate. Being active in meetings helps me stay alert and makes the time more productive. Collaboration with colleagues is also a key part of my afternoon routine. Whether it's a quick chat about a project or a brainstorming session, working with others keeps the energy up and brings fresh perspectives. I enjoy the social aspect of these interactions, and they often lead to new ideas or solutions that I wouldn't have thought of on my own. Around 3 p.m., I usually need a little pick-me-up. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks, I try to keep it healthy. A handful of almonds, a piece of fruit, or some yogurt is my go-to choice. These snacks help keep my energy stable without making me feel sluggish. I also make sure to drink water throughout the afternoon to stay hydrated. As the afternoon progresses, I start to focus on wrapping up the day's work. By 4 p.m., I'm usually finishing up any remaining tasks or following up on emails. I also take this time to review my progress and make a plan for the next day. I like to write down the top 3 things I need to accomplish the following day, so I'm ready to hit the ground running in the morning. If I have any tasks that require deep focus or creative thinking, I often save them for the late afternoon when the office is quieter. I find that this is a good time to tackle complex problems or brainstorm new ideas. The calm atmosphere helps me concentrate, and I'm able to get a lot done in this final stretch of the workday. By 5 p.m., I start to wind down my work. I take a few minutes to tidy up my desk, putting away any papers or materials I've used throughout the day. I also make sure that all my documents are saved and organized on my computer. This simple act of cleaning up helps me feel more organized and ready to start fresh the next morning. Before I leave the office, I do one last check of my email to make sure I haven't missed anything important. I also review my to-do list one more time, making any final notes or adjustments for the next day. This helps me leave work with a clear mind, knowing that I've taken care of everything I needed to. After work, I usually take a moment to reflect on the day. I think about what went well, what challenges I faced, and what I can improve on. This reflection helps me grow and learn from my experiences, and it also gives me a sense of closure for the day. Once I leave the office, I transition from work mode to personal time. If the weather is nice, I might walk home or take a scenic route to enjoy the fresh air. If I'm feeling tired, I'll listen to music or a podcast during my commute to help me relax and unwind. By the time I get home, I'm ready to enjoy the evening and take some time for myself. My afternoon routine helps me stay productive and focused, but it also ensures that I end the workday on a positive note, feeling accomplished and ready for whatever the next day brings. In summary, my afternoon routine is all about maintaining productivity, staying organized, and finding ways to keep my energy up as the day progresses. Whether it's taking a short walk, having a healthy snack, or collaborating with colleagues, each part of my routine plays a role in helping me navigate the day successfully. As I continue to grow in my new job, I'm learning that these small habits make a big difference in how I feel and perform, both at work and in my personal life.